What's up, everybody? We're back. Jake is working on spray painting the roll cage. You can see he's got some of it done. He just flipped it over. And then the rest of today, we're going to be trying to get this Kirkey to sit in that Mustang. Stickers.
Just paint right over it. It's a roll cage. It's a race car.
You don't need to take them off.
Street car.
Edit. Street car.
Edit. Street car. Yeah, so it's almost got to go right there.
Yeah, I mean...
I think that's probably the right spot. I mean, both of us, when we sat in the car, I don't think our issue was that we were too far forward. I think our issue is that we were too low.
I think our issue is we were potentially too far back, and you can't move it forward at this point.
You think we're too far back?
Potentially. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get that, Peely.
Well, we'll have to give it a whirl.
Yeah. What's the worst that happens?
What's that happens is you're going to take it out and try to refigure on it.
Yeah.
So much thinking. I'll get some more suggestibility somewhere right here with this one. What I need to do is just, everywhere. Let's make some tentative markings in here. Okay.
Can we pull this off?
Yeah. And let's make 2 inches too far. I'm thinking if we do a 1 3/4 from the bend. And then we gotta measure it like this. Yeah. And I'll say it should be
1 3/4 there too.
So I'm thinking 1 3/4, 1 3/4, right?
Yeah.
Seems pretty good. Yeah, okay. And then grab that stubby little hammer.
Drilling hammer.
We should be able to put it good.
Ready?
Put it with a dental. Oh yeah.
Now do you need those bits?
Yep.
Yeah, great. Now these are made for hard metal.
Well, we're drilling through aluminum, so hopefully we won't have any problems.
I should hope not. They can even just get it started.
Yeah, we'll just pop it through it.
Just get the ball going.
First one's always the hardest.
There you go.
Now, what size bolts are those? 3/16?
Let me get you. Both ways.
It's just 3/8 bit or reduced. This might be stepping up to the major leagues a little quick, but we're gonna give it a whirl.
They're good bits though.
Nice and sharp. Actually, all right.
Oh no.
Look at it. Perfect. Now if you take this, yeah, that one, right? Tuck on it. Grab one of them there. Hopefully it's not a pain in the ass, literally.
Yeah, we'll probably have to get some sort of a Joanne fabric cover on it.
Okay, so
Probably.
all of these should line up. Like it should because it's pivoting about this axis.
Yeah.
Shouldn't
Theoretically.
really matter. We want it. I think we want it as far. If we go this way, we don't have to grind anything to get the most adjustability.
We want it to be as far forward as possible, right? We're already as far back in the car.
You want the seat, but the problem is that I move it back, see how it hits some wells?
Yeah, I
You
think
only have,
you
like-
want it. But if you move it,
If I move that
yeah,
like that,
just do it.
the seat
Just do
will
it
go
like
back.
that. Yeah.
1 second.
Okay.
Loosen up. I just want to make sure it's still straight in there. Thinking that. The only problem is that I guess we could notch this rubber, but
We're gonna have issues
we can
with it
push.
all the way.
We can push right past through that rubber. So let's just make. Thinking to keep it low,
Yeah.
right? So
Maybe make an X somewhere in there, so it's almost in line.
what
with
we
this
need to
one.
do is draw a line
Yeah.
with that plate. Let's take this off. And I'm gonna put this here. This, right? This is for forward and Boston. And then we, dang it!
Just there.
Rat.
Just a tip there.
Yeah, so that's pretty centered, right?
Yeah.
That's just not the center of that. Okay, so now if I move this, yeah, so they're not perfect, and that's why they made it a slot, but it'll work. So
Now we gotta put the brackets in the car first, and then hook up
I'm thinking so.
the seat. I don't think this is wide enough still, but
Pull it out. We're gonna put it up to the seat. Yeah, definitely not in close way.
and that's gonna be an issue. We're gonna need to hammer out that tunnel. Because this is already maxed out here, as far as it can go towards the door.
It's close. It's really close.
Yeah.
It's not.
I mean,
Let's just move this a little bit and see where it hits. Okay.
Okay.
Move this one a little bit.
Are you just saying I can't use a hammer yet?
I'm saying don't hit it yet. One second. Something like that.
Something like that.
And then what I'm thinking is that we just try to get it.
Right there.
It's way kittywampus. One second.
Okay.
It's just pick up on it.
Okay, now just turn touch it off.
Now try to hold your finger on the nut.
Taking it down.
Yep. Take it down.
Now see where it's hitting on the here. I mean, it might not be an issue.
That's not that big of a deal.
Yeah.
I mean, we can hit it if you want, but it's not, You made it sound like it was stinking.
My big thing now is where do we sit with the roll bar?
Yeah, and where do you sit in relationship to the steering wheel? Because you don't want to be like driving like this.
Yeah.
Area right here.
Yep.
Great here. That's a little better, but I don't know if I moved it.
It's better.
Here, hit it up here. Hit it. Okay. Okay. Hit it right here first. It pinched up a little bit. Hit that down. Okay. That's better.
Certainly it's better. Look at how much more room we have.
Well, before we were like maxed out.
Yeah. Do you think we go a little bit more there? Is there anything on this
Can
side?
bang on it, but you gotta.
We gotta get this.
No,
wire
you're
out.
not quite there yet.
Okay.
It's still hitting.
That same spot.
Yeah, I'll show you one. Right here.
Okay.
It's a lot better.
That's pretty solid. Your holes line up, my hole doesn't.
It does, but then when we move it down like this, it hits on that bolt. What we gotta do, we pop this off.
Okay.
We'll see though.
We're gonna have to widen it a little bit.
No, we gotta. We gotta stick the bolt through this hole.
All through that way.
Do this.
Seats back.
Get up and push. There. Oh, went too far.
Here we go. Do it.
You see my side?
Yep. Gonna put it through. Shut it down just a hair. Sitting it?
Yeah. Up squat.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Are you lying?
Nah.
Mystic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Quick attach hub would be nice.
What do you think?
I think it's really good.
Yeah. It's actually pretty comfortable too.
And I think it's tilted forward the right amount.
Yep.
Because when you're tight up against it.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta tighten up a little bit, so. Once it gets a little bumpy, it might get a little rough.
That's a little sketchy. So this is kind of what we got going on for the Kirkey. It actually mounted in there pretty good. It's snug. The whole thing shifted a little bit more towards the driver's side just by a hair because of the tunnel. And you thought that was a 79 thing?
Yeah.
The 79 tunnel is a little different. So who makes this bracket?
That's Team Z.
Team Z. Who makes the low profile?
Team Z.
Both Teamsy.
Yeah.
And then obviously
So
a
I'd
Kirkey.
recommend the Teamsy mounts. They went in there nice. Safety, Google's here. Don't worry, we will be mounting these differently.
Yeah.
So
We gotta
we'll
get
mount
the
them properly.
we gotta get the harness bar in there and make sure it's in there right. Otherwise, everything seems pretty good and it's pretty comfortable for us. We're both Jake's 6'2", I'm probably like 6'3", and it seems to work out. And I think I'll have plenty of room for a helmet.